Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix diversity initiatives with Starbucks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by acknowledging the current challenges Starbucks faces with diversity initiatives. Identify the specific areas where these initiatives have fallen short. Gather data and feedback from employees at all levels to understand their experiences. Conduct surveys to capture diverse perspectives on the effectiveness of current programs. Analyze the data to pinpoint key issues in areas needing improvement. Engage with external diversity experts to gain insights and best practices. Create a comprehensive assessment report outlining the findings. Develop a clear vision and goals for enhanced diversity initiatives. Formulate new strategies tailored to the specific needs of the workforce. Ensure these strategies are aligned with Starbucks' core values and mission. Establish a task force dedicated to overseeing the implementation of the new initiatives. Set measurable objectives to track progress and impact over time. Communicate transparently with employees about the changes being made. Offer training sessions focused on diversity, equity, and inclusion for all staff. Foster an open dialogue around diversity issues within the company. Encourage employee resource groups that support various backgrounds and identities. Solicit ongoing feedback from employees to ensure their voices are heard. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of new initiatives through follow-up surveys. Adjust the strategies based on feedback and performance metrics. Celebrate successes and milestones in enhancing diversity. Promote these initiatives externally to enhance Starbucks' brand reputation. Remain committed to continuous improvement in diversity and inclusion efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.